Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial, I'm gonna tell you how to edit photos in Lightroom. Tape your photos and let's get started. First of all, open the Lightroom and add your photo. Now click on your photo and adjust the lighting. First of all, decrease the exposure, decrease the contrast, increase the highlights, increase the shadows, decrease the whites and blacks. Now click on colors and increase the vibrance and decrease the saturation. Now click on color mix. For whitening, I decrease the saturation of orange and increase the luminance. Now increase the saturation of red and increase the saturation of purple and pink. Now decrease the hue of green and increase the saturation. Now increase the saturation of blue and decrease the hue. Now click on effects and increase the texture and increase the clarity and increase the dehaze and decrease the vignette and increase the highlights and increase the feather and decrease the midpoint. Now click on detail and increase the sharpening and increase the masking tool as I am doing. Tap with your two finger. Now increase the noise reduction. Now click on colors and click color grading. First choose the shadow and increase the hue and increase the saturation. Now select midtones, increase the hue and increase the saturation. Now click on highlights and increase the hue and increase the saturation. Now click on highlights and then curves. Now increase the shadows, decrease the midtones and increase the highlights. Now select the selection tool and select the subject. Now click on linear gradient and do as I am doing. Decrease the exposure. Now again select the background and decrease the exposure of the background. Now click on preset and choose the right preset for this photo. The preset link is in the description. Before, after. Now click on export button and export the photo. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, then subscribe to my channel for more videos. Take care. Allah Hafiz.